What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank you very much for tuning in today. We got a LUNC Classic Labor Day pump. We're going to be going over here off the charts. Real quick, though, LUNC Classic, this is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour boom boom candle straight up to the 200 moving average. Looking very good, guys. Looking very healthy. So let me get this pulled up. Start following LUNC Classic for the day, because this is pumping right now, guys. Up 37.4% off the day. 34733 right now. Waiting for another retest of 35604. And could we get it? Could we get it? Continue with the pump? I do believe so. LUNC Classic, nothing is stopping it right now. Let's kind of zoom on out. We are on the 1-minute chart. Let's go to 4-hour chart. Give you guys a perspective. The last 4 hours of the LUNC Classic pump have been like this. So if y'all watched the show last night, guys, we gave you a consolidation phase right here. This little pretty much, you know, bull flag, we'll call it. The flag pulls a little sideways, but a little slanted. But we gave you that consolidation period where you set those higher lows and higher highs, and then we broke to the upside. And that is exactly what happened. And we broke that 30000 flat resistance rate, which we have been waiting to break. And for that reason alone, nope, I don't want to do that. For that reason alone, guys, we've been breaking pretty good to the upside throughout the whole morning, guys. I mean, look at this 1-minute candle. This is probably 15% in 1 minute. Like, so LUNC Classic is definitely on the watch list today, guys. If you were in it, congratulations, man. You were making some pretty good profits. What's up, Ryan? Good to see you, man. Great to see you, actually. What's up, Travis? Rick? Good to see everyone. How about last month, bro? Yeah, man. LUNC Classic is the target to watch right now, man. So let me see if I can pull up some stuff, see why it's maybe doing this. Let's see what news articles they got coming out for LUNC Classic today. But 36% today, guys. That is absolutely insane right now. So let me know in the chat if you're holding some LUNC Classic, man. Ethereum Classic is ripping too in its own right. Not as much as Luna, but Ethereum Classic is up pretty well, guys. Let's see. A Terra Classic price analysis for the 5th of September. LUNC/USD buyers get even with sellers. Recently, Terra Classic had a strong bullish move. This has sent the price soaring high, so high that it breaks the top resistance level. Buyers were so ambitious of targeting the 3-0 flat range. A very strong bullish momentum has seen on the 1st of September. That's when we got rejected way back when. I'd have to pull it back up. But the first time we got rejected at 3 flat, basically. So before this strong and recent bullish market behavior, the market has been flat with not much price pull from the market players. The period of consolidation followed the crash of Terra Classic in May and June. Since then, the altcoin has made impressive efforts to recover since the crash of the altcoin in May. The price of Terra Classic has just entered the overbought between late August and early September, and is confirmed to be overbought at a while due to strong demand, and expected the momentum to be reduced. The bulls may be retreating for a while. Damn, who wrote this article, bro? Because Terra is just freaking mooning right now, guys. So if you're holding Terra LUNC Classic, congratulations, man. That's really hard to do in a single day, is make that much profit. So the burn program is aggressive. Absolutely, man. That's probably a key factor to what's going on. Let's see how many have burned so far. According to data from the popular block explorer BitQuery, the Terra community has burned over 650 million LUNC since the initiative began, with significant compared to the token's total supply of 6.5 trillion. So 650 million LUNC Classic have been burned so far, guys. Rick, you still holding your LUNC? Oh, man. Let me know if you're still holding it, man. Let me finish setting up my YouTube thing, because I always forget to do that. And description and stuff when you're live, and then this makes it harder for people to find your show. Just give me 1 second. Let me get that squared away. We're going to leave the charts up all day, guys. We're having some nice pump action going on once again. Last night it was Atom. I had a blast, man. Streaming Atom pump, 40 cents with y'all. Now today, Luna Classic, man. And then Ethereum Classic, guys. We can't sleep on that. I don't know if y'all have been still holding your Ethereum Classic, but it was up to 36 bucks. It was 32 last night. Get this set up and then we'll get rocking, guys. Might change up the charts a little bit here too. So right now 34160, still up 34% off the day. We can get some of this set up. See a little sell-off right here. It could double bottom here at 33590. Looking for a little bounce right here, guys. Could have a continuation though. What you're getting though, you have these pretty good pullbacks and then you just zoom right back up, bro. You have these big volumes, big spikes coming right back up. I mean that 3 flat range, when you actually broke through that, the bulls were just sitting on the sidelines, man, waiting for a pretty big buying opportunity. And that was it, man. Came back down and then boom, got a big buy right there. So you are still on an ascending level of support right here. You are still setting higher highs and higher lows right now. So Terra could not be done for the day, I do not believe. Yeah, Thomas Harris, hey, good game, bro. Botch field goal got me. We need a big buy on Luna. It's riding this green line pretty strong, so we're gonna leave that for right now, man. It is riding that green line religiously, so if that's what it's doing right here, it's probably due for a bounce right now. So hopefully we can get above this 34866. That's where we should be heading next. So let's see what happens with it. Real quick, let me flip over to Luna Classic real quick. Getting rejected. Look at them TAs, guys. The TA we put on this channel, man, is just fucking perfect, bro. Fucking perfect. Hit 37.21. I'm sorry. Why is it saying 37? Oh, because I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, 3721 before we got rejected. Couldn't break through this level of resistance. We got it at 37. So we're just waiting for a rebound to come back and retest that 37. Possibly going to go off that 200. Might see 35 again. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin still maintaining 19,837. Pretty much the point where we left it last night from the live stream. So happy Labor Day to everyone. Hope y'all having a great freaking Labor Day. While we do this, I'm gonna leave Ethereum Classic up for a second. I need to get my indicators straight off of here, and I don't want y'all to have to bear with me while I do all that. Give me 1 second. Let me get this straight. Yeah, happy Labor Day, man. Oh man, my voice is still hoarse from last night, guys. That was a long stream, man. That was a really long stream we had last night. The volume's starting to slow down, guys. We had some pretty nice pumps here off of Luna Classic, Ethereum Classic. Even Ethereum up 1.23% off the day. Retouching 1600, man. That's a big deal right now. Let's check it out. Hit 1610, got rejected. So we had some pretty big pumps. So maybe a little bit of cool off period over the next 20 minutes or so before we start to reload and maybe continue heading in the right direction. Adam at 1273, that pullback came last night. So not surprised by that at all. But I told you guys, Ethereum, anything layer 2, where's Matic at? Let's check Matic. Matic is at 87 cents. Okay. Ethereum is hot right now, bro. Layer 2 solutions such as Matic, Optimism, all them, they're going to really start to benefit from this. I'm surprised Matic is down today, but it is. But Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, we have the merger coming in about a week and a half. The volatility is really going to start to pick up. And it's nice, man. We are seeing 1600 retest right now. So let me get over to Ethereum, leave that chart up. Let me change this up real quick. What up, One Shot GT? Hey, bro, Luna Classic, dude. Just, oh my God, man. Where's it at? We gotta keep an eye on this thing. Ethereum Classic doing the same thing, man. So we're up 35% today, still climbing, guys. So we're still respecting the trend. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Let's go ahead and make a higher high right here. 3.6, baby. That's what we want to see. 3.6 flat. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that line because that's where I think we could end up shooting for next. Let me move my light just a little bit. It's kind of in my way. We're gonna put that at 3.6 flat. Boom. Let's go make that higher high at 3.6 flat, guys. That's what we were looking for. So we're gonna sit tight for a few minutes. Let's see what happens with that. Yeah, thank you, Travis. Happy Labor Day to everybody, man. Hopefully y'all enjoying the time with y'all family. I'm gonna be live streaming a good majority of the day. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with the kids and stuff and cooking, but I'm gonna be leaving the stream up and coming back periodically throughout the day because, man, we're starting to get some action. 35% off of LUNC, man. That's just wow. Just wow, bro. Big wow factor right there, guys. One shot, you got some LUNC? Be right back, going by 100K at Luna Classic. That would cause it to spike through the roof right there at 3.6. Guarantee you. 650 million have been burned so far, guys. So a pretty good number right there for Luna Classic. The news ain't really giving too much right now. And once again, showing you right here why it's probably a good deal to go against the mainstream news. Look at these articles. Luna price prediction. Why Luna price will likely drop. Buyers get even with sellers. Blah, blah, blah. Bearish sell now. Burn program really pumped. Even I put out a video the other day taking some profits from Luna Classic, but you know, it reached that 3 flat top, but we also said you have to follow the show. We also said that if it continues going up, and it's probably gonna, you know, we even said it last night, it looked like it was heading for a 3.0 flat retest, and look what happens, man, when it does. So, you know, these articles, take them with a grain of salt, man. You can probably usually go against the grain, against the major market media, and do pretty well for yourself. So what's up, Midwest Picker? Good to see you, bro. LUNC, they are projected to burn 3 billion by the end of September. That would make the price explode, bro. Explode. Let me look that up. That will enable LUNC to become de-inflationary crypto as of September 12th, with a 1.2% token burn reportedly set to be applied to the transactions on the network. Twitter account LUNC Burn at Luna Burn 13 also reported 3.8 billion Luna tokens have already been burned prior to that date. Well, we are on the road to LUNC to $1, my folks. And they are giving it a damn good try right here. A damn good push. So maybe the Luna Classic community is not something to shy away from, bro. Maybe, you know, I was a little aggravated with Luna, with the whole, you know, Terra Luna debacle, with the stable coin dropping and losing, you know, people billions of dollars. But, dude, this Luna Classic is come back strong. That just shows you the power of the community, man. It really does. Yeah, man. They're calling by September 12th. 3.8 billion Luna tokens have already been burned. Okay, so yes, that is the total. LUNC stands at 3.8 billion. The volume traded in the last 24 hours is 157 million. 1.2% of that is 1.88 mil. At these prices and volume, we have burned 14.6 billion Luna. Wow. So if they continue burning at this rate, guys, you could almost expect this price to continue to rise, and you'll continue breaking ceilings. You might have these pullbacks and these rejections off of technical key levels of resistance, but man, you know, you're probably gonna continue climbing through these barriers. I wouldn't be surprised if you don't climb through. So look, even last night, like, you're setting a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, and then right here, a higher high, a higher high. If we can break through a little bit of consolidation, even after this pumping, even after all this today, guys, you are consolidating. Consolidation favors the bulls, man. It looks like it's setting up for another break to the upside, and it's the same little setup where you had these two double tops here last night, and it was breaking to the upside, and then it just massively took off like a rocket, guys. So that is definitely in the works for today. I would not shy away from it. We'll see. You shouldn't go lower than this area right here off this retracement, 33886. We are coming back down a little bit, but if that consolidation phase holds true, you should not go lower than this, and we should start to head back up, and we'll see the strength of Luna Classic here shortly. Well, KYH Dump 2, I can check it out, man. I haven't looked at that, but I can take a look at it for you. Welcome to Mass Market, man. If you could hit that subscribe button for us, join up with the fam. Really appreciate it. Little AR-15. KYH. Let's check it out. There we go, baby. What'd I tell you, man? Starting to get that break to the upside. Now we're starting to get the volume in. Luna Classic looking extremely strong right now, guys. We are breaking out of this little consolidation phase we just talked about less than a minute ago. We're getting a break to the upside. Don't sleep on this coin, man. Look at this thing. Boom, baby. The TA is on point, baby. 35,200. This thing could be heading straight for 36, man. I don't want to jinx it, but it could be heading straight for 36. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. I didn't forget about your little AR. Give me a second, man. I just saw this candle break up to the upside. Now look, we can head back down here. That could be a lower high. This could be the next lower high, and we could come back, and we shouldn't go lower than 3.4 or 3.5. But this thing is taking off, guys. just like we thought. Holy hell. You break this level right here, 3.5. There it goes. There it goes, bro. Dude, don't get that rejection. Keep going. It almost had it, guys. It almost broke to the upside right there. If you'd have broke that level 3.5554, you were gone, baby. You were breaking 3.6 right there. And that would have been fun to see. Here we go. Might not be done. It's trying to reload right here, guys. Can we get it? Can we get the break? Can we get the break for Luna Classic, guys? For all the people that held Luna, can we see the break? Coming down a little bit. Let me see this real quick. Let me see if I can clear up them charting for you guys real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, it's not letting me. What I can do here is I have to clear it up another time. I was trying to get it a little bit more clear for you guys. Hopefully I'm not having trouble seeing this right here though. Due to the transparent background, it's giving me some issues. But guys, if y'all could, please hit the like button for your boy, man. I'd greatly freaking appreciate it, man. Greatly appreciate it. Luna Classic is ramping up for another possible breakout. So it's holding true consolidation. Lower high, higher low, higher low. It could not even come back down here to make a new higher low. It could just take off from this middle point once again, and almost blew off the top right here, guys. So could be seeing another blow off top here to 3.6 flat for LUNC. Could be up 60% today if everything keeps rocking the way it's going, guys. Real quick, let's pull over to Ethereum Classic. Let's check it out. That is Ethereum right here. Just playing around with 1600. I need to pop that line real quick. So Ethereum is coming up to a level of resistance at 1600. Just underneath it, looking like we're going to get the break to the upside for that too. And Ethereum Classic looking the exact same. 37.21. That 37 was tough for us. We got rejected. That was up 11.45% off the day. We're probably heading back to this 35.70 range, exactly what we told you. And we'll probably get the bounce there to maybe have another 37 retest. So we'll be keeping our eye pretty close on it. Bitcoin not moving at all. Still at the same spot it was last night from when we were live streaming. A lot of cryptos the same. Atoms came down. Guys, if y'all just tuned in, we had fun with Atoms Cosmos last night. That was really fun. Live streaming that. I mean, it was just so much fun watching that thing rip 40 cents in the bear market, man. It was a good time. Dude, I have the free ad thing. I don't know why it keeps popping up. It's aggravating. All right, guys, looks like we're going back to set that higher low, which should be in this area right here. Around 3420. We should be getting the bounce here shortly. I'm gonna leave that horizontal yellow line right there to say, hey, that's where I think we're gonna end up dropping. Dude, TA. Mwah. The TA is on point. KYH, yeah, let me check it out real quick, man. KYH to USDT. I can pull it up on here. No, I can't. Wow, it's not on here. That's surprising. I got it pulled up on where is it? rsncoin.com. What's your price point on it, man? Because yeah, it's looking a little bearish, bro. Ever since that 63, you've been getting pretty annihilated, man. And you were double bottoming at 57. If you don't hold that, you're most likely going to see 55 to 52 here in the short term, man. For KHY. Come on, guys. Let's get that bounce. Make that higher high. Happy Labor Day, everyone. Thanks for rocking with me. Okay, yeah, it's double bottoming at 57, and it looks like it could possibly break down to 55 to 52, man. So you should be all right if the TA holds true. We're all gonna make money on LUNC, absolutely, bro. Break it down a little bit more. We shouldn't go any lower, guys. If we're holding true, we might even touch this green line. We're getting a lot of green line touches right here, and before they were pumping. Really getting some action. Those were far and in between. Now they're starting to get a little bit closer here, a little bit closer here. So we're going to see. Still consolidating picture perfect right here, guys. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Higher low, higher low, higher low. So expect it to go back up right here and then see if we can get a break to the upside. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Y'all happy? Y'all up pretty good off of LUNC? That is not financial advice, Travis. Let me put out the alert, let everybody know we're live right here. All right. Just waiting for this breakout, guys, from this consolidation period. See what's about to happen. Yeah, let me know when you close that short, little AR. Hey, man, make sure to hit that subscribe button, man. Turn that little notification bell on. Getting another bounce off that green line. Let's see if we maintain it, guys. Still in a retrospect, we're still setting a higher low here, which is okay. Just waiting to see. We're going to head back up here shortly. We should. Maybe a 35 flat. And then waiting to see if we get a break to the upside. That's what we were waiting to see, guys. But looking absolutely beautiful here off the charts, even after this major rip. You're still setting those higher highs. Now that the highs are getting kind of flat here, so but your lows are still setting up pretty nice. So let's see what happens here. But according to LUNC off of Twitter, how much do you say? $3 billion to be burned by September 12th. absolutely insane, guys. And that's going to continue having you bust through these levels like this 3.6, where I think is going to be a next stopping point. Or we could just put this double top right here at 3.5553 and see if we can break that. That's what I'm talking about, Pearl. 40% pump, baby. So here's an article. Can Luna Classic rise to $1? Data from CoinMarketCap indicates the circulating supply of Luna Classics LUNC is currently standing around 6.15 trillion. The 24-hour volume of LUNC as of today is 667.75 mil. Around 2.3 trillion tokens have exchanged hands during that period. Even the entire 6.15 trillion token exchange hands in a single day, that would only reduce the circulating supply around 700 billion tokens to 6.07. If LUNC were to climb to $1 per token, that will result in market cap around 6 trillion for a network that is no longer being used by developers to power decentralized apps, DApps, and that is no longer being supported by a serious development team that can introduce upgrades and new features to grow the ecosystem. In addition, most of the trading of LUNCs is taking place on centralized exchanges such as Binance, Gate.io, Huobi, and data from CMC indicates these exchanges may not embrace or support the implementation of the 1.2% tax and may opt to delist the token if the community ultimately approves the proposal. In this regard, Binance recently informed its users that LUNC deposits and withdrawals via the Ethereum network, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon network will be suspended indefinitely on 7th of September. The decision comes as a result of the shutdown of the shuttle bridge of Terra Classic. I need to look further into that and see what they're rapping about with that, man. So is BNB going to delist LUNC? Let me see. Yes, September 7th, Binance informed everyone that its withdrawals via Ethereum, BNB, and Polygon network will be suspended. Users will still be able to make transactions with the token by using the Terra Classic network, but it may take longer for those validated as the network's processing speeds have diminished significantly due to the ecosystem imploded. In the past 24 hours, over 300 million worth of LUNC has been exchanged via Binance, this being most widely used CEX for the trading the token. If Binance will no longer support trading for LUNC via these networks, trading volumes may decline as transaction fees may increase. As a result, the shutdown of the shuttle bridge. Recently, another hot project in the crypto space called Lucky Block introduced a 1% monthly token burn starting on the 30th of September this year. All right, guys, so we got a little bit of FUD coming on. Binance is going to be fucking with LUNC here, so we're gonna see what happens. Oh man, this is gonna be the point where we need a bounce, man. We don't want to fall back even lower. There we go, baby. Starting to break the downside now, guys. We have broke that consolidation phase. Unless we get a bounce right here. Wonder if they got some whales taking profits. They're gonna try to, man. Getting a pretty nice bounce there. So if that's the case, man, we're still setting a higher low. But we need it to bounce here. Real quick, let's jump back to Ethereum Classic, where we're at 36. The volume really slowed down after that, the major pumps we had. Ethereum stuck right below 1600. So, what's up, Barney? PRX. Yeah, I'll pull it up, man. Watch this. If it's not gonna be on here, I can pull it up on this side. Give me a second. Oh. Let me see you comment again. Hi, can you review PRX? I'm interested in mining, and I find a PRX. It would be a good choice for me. A proxy node, PRX GPU cloud mining. Yeah, man. I mean, mining's great and all. The decision you make will be based on you're gonna have to look at some key factors such as willingness to own a mining platform or the amount you intend to invest initially in particular. Also depend on the following factors like the amount you want to invest, whether you want to mine with a platform or not. If so, what device do you own? Cloud mining and GPU mining are popular methods of mining proxy nodes. ASIC mining is unpredictable these days, while it's not financially viable to mine using a CPU. However, according to experts, one of the best ways to mine proxy node is to use a proxy node mining pool. Pool mining of proxy nodes allows you to reduce the volatility of your payments. This is done by offering you smaller but more frequent payments instead of a lump sum that you receive only after a block is resolved. So yeah, man, I would start small, get into it small, Barney. I think it'll treat you well. I got some pretty good friends who are big into the mining, man. I can hook you up with them. If you hit that subscribe button for us, man, we'll get you in touch with them. They know a lot more about the mining than I do. I'm personally not mining anything, but I know some pretty big miners. That's all they do, and I can hook you up with them, man. Barney, you have a Twitter, bro? Starting to see some weakness out of LUNC after this 33% pump, guys. In Rand's coin, it says 20x, 50x, 100x, 200. Can you pick on the contract? What does that mean? I'm not too familiar with Rand's coin either, man. I don't even know where you found that at, to be honest with you. That let me take a look real quick. But if you got a short on this thing, dude, it's definitely going down right now. 57.4. You were below that double bottom, so I'd expect it to continue coming down, man. I don't know what the 20, 50, 100, 200. Be careful with that. Make sure you're not 100x shorting anything and get burned. Damn, guys, got pretty stale as soon as we hopped on the live stream, man. It is what it is. I was hoping for a break back to the upside. We're getting a pretty nice candle right here. Yeah, just be careful with it, man. You go extreme 200x short, man. That's where you're on the screen and you start screaming because it goes the other way on you, man. You don't want that. What's up, Doris? How you doing, bro? Hey, Doris, thanks for becoming a member, man. Really appreciate it, guys. Channel memberships greatly help out, guys. So if you're not a channel member, man, please, if you could. If not, it's cool. But it helps support the channel, man. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Doris. We're just waiting to see what happens with LUNC, man. We're kind of at a little standstill point where we could start breaking to the upside. But starting to get a little weakness out of LUNC. Let's see what you said. Little AR says I did 50x with only $70. So top of my head, you did a $3,500 short, something like that. Doors is a great guy. Waiting to see some volume pick up. What's up, Sircan? Sircan, hello, good programs. I'm mining Parex. Can you do a price analysis? Yeah, the guy, Barney, hopped in, asked the same thing, bro. I don't know about it. Wish I could. Flux, Pearl, the Flux. Is that thing still going? I saw it coming down last night. Look at this. Look at this thing. Up 8% again today. Wow. Just don't stop. It just don't stop, bro. Flux doing it again. Look at that. Yeah, Flux is a good it's a good crypto, man. I think Flux let me, before I say something wrong here, let me verify it. I think Flux is a layer 2 for Ethereum. No, it powers the Flux ecosystem. And the Flux ecosystem is devoted to empowering everyone to develop, deploy, and use of decentralized internet on the future Web 3. At the moment, the Flux ecosystem consists of a native mineable proof of work cryptocurrency Flux, a powerful decentralized computational Flux network, Flux nodes, a Linux-based operating system, Flux OS, the premier digital asset platform, Zelcore, and finally the Flux blockchain for on-chain governance, economics, and parallel assets to provide with other blockchains and DeFi access. Currently, Flux's computational network consisting of around 13,500 nodes distributed globally with more than 98,000 CPU cores. Damn, they got a big network. Yeah, Flux is a solid project, man. You've been saying Flux for a hike now. What's a hike? For a while? I'll give that one to you. Maybe for a while, but not for a hike. Let's see what we got so far. All right, guys, give me a few seconds. I'm gonna go grab me a drink. Hopefully, it'll rip while I'm fucking gone. Give me a couple minutes, guys. I'm gonna go get me something to drink. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Thanks for hanging tight. Had to go get me a sip of water. All that live streaming yesterday, man. Dude, my voice is shot. It's shot right now. Y'all just tune in, man. Y'all hit the like button for you, boy. Greatly appreciate it. Waiting for Luna Classic to make a move to the upside right here. Had one little area that's concerning right here. We dipped a little bit lower on making those higher lows, but we are still setting those lower highs pretty good right now. Let's see what happens here. Still looking pretty strong though here off the 1 minute chart. We'll see what happens. Still up 36% off the day. I don't know why that keeps popping up. That's aggravating. Welcome to the stream, everybody, though. I'm your host, Matt. Mass Market. There's my number on the screen. You need some, shoot me a text. Give me that coin news. What's happening, bro? You sound like a someone who reports on coin news. You on Twitter, man? Andre P. That dude's creeping, bro. What's up, Andre P? Good to see you, man. Watching Luna Classic right now. Ethereum Classic, man, was really ripping. It's still up 11%, but coming back to 200 like we thought. So it could volume could pick up on that here pretty shortly. Starting to hit that 200 right there. Could start to bounce and then maybe make another run for 37. And Ethereum is floating just under 1600. Where it's been floating for some time. So hopefully we start to see some Bitcoin action too, man. If Bitcoin would start ripping right here, let me check where it's at. It's still at 19.8. It's pretty much stuck right there. So we get some Bitcoin action going in, man. We're definitely gonna start mooning. Yes, sir. Give me that coin. Give me that coin. Let me see, man. I'll drop you a follow real quick. What's up, RW? All right, give me that coin. I just dropped you a follow on Twitter, bro. What's up, RW? Happy Labor Day, everyone. Only creeping AM. All right, Luna starting to get a pretty good volume candle in it right now, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's get a push, baby. That's all we need is a little push. If y'all guys could, please hit that subscribe button for us. I'd greatly appreciate it. And tap that like button, man. Don't break it. Just tap it. That's all we're looking for. LUNC community is pretty good, man. I ain't gonna lie, I put out a tweet, got a lot of interaction already. Looking for a little break to the top right here, guys. Let's get it. There we go. We're starting to break out a little bit. Come on. Nah, thank you, man. Drop me a follow back, bro. Turn on them notifications, bro. We'll stay in touch. Just waiting, guys. Waiting for LUNC. It's consolidating right here, setting lower highs and higher lows. Waiting for a break to the down or to the upside. Then we're going to figure out where we're heading for the rest of the evening, which I hope we continue pumping up. But we gave you this news last night. LUNC looked like it was ready for a rip above that 3 flat, and it definitely did tonight. Woke up to it up 40%. I was like, God damn. Should have stayed live streaming all last night. That's what I should have did, but my voice is shot, bro, from doing all that live streaming. Hey, yeah, man, if you're getting worried about it, if you're getting worried about your short, man, you leveraged what was it, 50x? Be careful, bro. I'd be worried too. Hey, sir, can you review ParX? I came across this coin on Twitter recently. I really like the system. I will listen to your comments carefully. All right, you're the third person that popped in here asking for it. I can look at it real quick. Let me pull it up while we watch on the screen. LUNC. So PRX is 54 cents. Let me see when this thing was listed. Looks like February of this year. Had a pretty nice pump to, looks like, what, 450. And then it's been in a bit of a downtrend, man. The past 3 months, your high has been $1.17. So it's looking a little bit better off the 3 month. The 1 month is looking horrible. Not seeing quite a reversal yet. The past 7 days. Good buying opportunity could be coming up. Let's see what this thing is. Starting to get some volume here too, guys, on LUNC. The live PRX is a decentralized exchange. It also has a token that can only exist through the mining production mechanism. The production network is processed with a DRC-16 protocol. It can also build bridges with many networks thanks to its proof of interoperability. Thanks to PRX proof, it established bridges with other networks. There's a balance between all networks. Circulation is common. Polygon, BEP20, Ethereum, Polkadot, AVAX, etc. Burning is common. As soon as PRX token is sent to production, it is burned and falls out of circulation. It continues its existence as a community originated project to overcome all difficulties. The proof of interoperability mechanism ensures that PRX token is in every network. In this way, every inter-network transfer is possible thanks to PRX market. Switching between networks takes places at low fees and quickly through the PRX market. Bridges making tying routes easy for PRX. Here are some of the articles you may be interested in. I'll do some more research into it, man. It's down a little bit off the day. Downs. I just went over PRX, bro. Typhoon. So you guys all connected with PRX? Because y'all dropped in here about the same time asking about it. I haven't seen the community on Twitter, so that's why I'm asking. All right, guys, we're starting to get some volume to the upside. We can get over this top right here, 34864. We're going to start mooning a little bit here. And there we go. We're starting to get it. It wants it so bad right here. Can it do it? Guys, if y'all brand new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for us. We'd greatly appreciate it. We are a smaller channel, so we really appreciate any support that we can get, guys. And while you're at it, follow me on Twitter, man. Turn on them notifications, man. Try to keep you guys up to date with Web3. Do you think the CPI report will come out lower? My thoughts, Pearl, man, I think the CPI data is going to come out a little bit higher just because of student loan forgiveness, which I wasn't a fan of, because right when you finally get data coming down, you go spend a bunch of money on student loan debt forgiveness. So I do believe it's going to hurt us a little bit. I think CPI data might continue to trend upwards. I don't think it'll be quite as bad as the 9.2% we got back a couple months ago, but we'll see. 8.5 isn't that great either. And, you know, you saw the, I hope you saw the Jackson Hole meeting with the Fed. He also reported that we could see a higher interest rate hike in the month of September, which we're probably looking at a full basis point increase in the interest rate. So for that reason alone, I still am a little bearish, but it's nice to see these little pumps that we're having, such as Atom last night. Now we got LUNC. Ethereum Classic doing this thing today, man, looking extremely well. So I'm happy with it, man. Across the board, we're starting to get some little pumps with these altcoins. It's looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty freaking good. That's what I think about CPI data. You let me know your thoughts. You think it will be higher or lower? There's a chance it could be lower. Gas prices are down, but I still think it'll come in about the same range, maybe even a little bit higher. I think they just approved a pretty big package for Ukraine again, too, so they're still spending, man. I read a really good tweet last night. Let me see what it is. I took a screenshot of it. All right, so the U.S. can send $8 billion to Ukraine, 3.3 to Israel, $1 billion to Taiwan, USA to Mississippi. Don't drink the water. That's what they got. Send all that money to these foreign countries, but hey, you can't send it to the great state of the great town of Jackson, Mississippi, so you can have some drinking water, you know. Yep, that's another thing, Rick. Gas is down, but food and other items are up. I was complaining about that. I was in a Twitter space yesterday at the grocery store. I'm like, dude, these prices are freaking ridiculous, bro. I don't know how people are maintaining, you know. I got a bunch of mouths to feed too, so, you know, $200 at the store don't go far anymore. Jumping in more Shiba and Dogecoin while the attention is on Ethereum Classic and LUNC at the moment. Yeah, dude, we're about to break out right here, guys. We're about to get a little breakout here for LUNC, guys. It is heating up. Let me see where Shiba's at real quick. 1246. Yeah, 12 flat's pretty good support, man. I know a bunch of people that are been accumulating Shiba right now. And to be honest with you, the Shiba chart looks really good. I'll pull it up here shortly. Let's see if we get this break right here for LUNC. All it takes is one big buy and we're off to the races, guys. And it's starting to heat up a little bit. 34953. Dude, I didn't fix it yet. One shot, man. Literally, when I started texting you, man, I had just freaking woke up and I'm like, hey, man, I'm probably going to go get dressed to go do a live show. I did not fix it. I'm a slacker, man. I'm a slacker. I'm slacking, bro. There we go, baby. Starting to break out here for LUNC to the upside. Finally, what we want to see. It is climbing. It is going. How high will it go? We don't know. But we're waiting to see if we can break that 3555553 top right here. RW says, sick of all the foreign aid money. Stop it. We need to concentrate on our own people in our own country. I respect that. Are any of y'all staking right now? Any of your crypto? Just wondering. Anybody got some staking protocols going where you're earning some money during this bear market? Because a lot of our favorite altcoins aren't going nowhere right now. Very good chance, very good opportunity for you to stake your crypto right now. Doris says, I am. Cool, man. What you staking like that? Highly recommend staking your Shiba right now. So guys, watching LUNC chart, still up 37% on the day. Waiting to see what happens here. Waiting for a break to the upside. If you're just tuning in, welcome to the show. If you could hit that subscribe button for us and gently tap the like button. You don't want to break it here. It's super sensitive. That YouTube algorithm is really finicky these days. So don't break the like button. Rodney Smith, what's happening, bro? Travis says, I'm staking Crow, Atom, Tonic, VVS, etc. I forgot about VVS, man. I haven't talked about that in a while. That VVS. Not to be confused with CVS. That VVS. Damn, getting a big sell buy. Oh, man. Getting a big sell candle coming in right now, LUNC. It's almost like they don't want it to break out anymore. Looks spicy. Come on, guys. Let's get a break. Let's get a big buy coming in. We're getting a big sell coming in right now. Still consolidating, guys. Still freaking consolidating. Trying to break to the upside here. But we are getting a pretty big sell candle right now. Pearl says, VBS, my worst buy ever in the history of crypto. Everything but Ethereum and Shiba wrap Luna. Got you, bro. Where's Cardano? We back above 50? Let me put ADA right here. Still at 49. No movement, man. Bitcoin's coming down a little bit, so that's probably really hampering everything else right now. It was around 19,850. Now we're heading back to closer to 19,800. So it could be hampering some of our LUNC gains we're seeing right here. Still 35% on the day. You can't be mad here in a bear market. We can ask. Let me turn this off real quick. It's kind of fucking with me. The light's coming in from outside, and whew, so it might make the camera a little bit blurry. But guys, thank y'all for rocking with me on a big Labor Day. Welcome to the show. I'm Matt from Mass Market. If you're brand new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for us. And if you have not yet, gently tap that like button. We were watching LUNC Classic, Ethereum Classic. We had a pretty good time last night watching Adam rip, but that's pulled back ever since. So watching some big movers today, but LUNC is definitely the top kingpin of the day today off of Labor Day. So if you're holding LUNC Classic, guys, y'all should be very, very happy with these gains y'all are seeing. Rightfully so, man. If you were holding the original Luna and that shit went down from $1 to nothing, you know, you deserve these days. These days are for you. Try to recoup some of those losses, man. But we do have some FUD coming out on the 7th. Binance is threatening. Let me see. I had the article right here. So in this regards, Binance recently informed its users that LUNC deposits and withdrawals via the Ethereum network, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon network will be suspended indefinitely on the 7th of September, which is Wednesday. So we're gonna see what happens, man. Volume could really be affected by that. So we'll see if we have a continuation or not. Try $77 to zero. Yeah, that's tough, bro. But LUNC, let's shave off some zeros, man. It's gonna have to burn its way there, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible to burn its way all the way to the top. Good day, gentlemen. Hopefully you're having a great day, Rodney Smith. That honey you sent me, bro, on point. I've been putting it in everything. Coffee, everything. Everything, bro.